8 seconds. Hayes for three. Got it! Nigel Hayes!
After the win at Nebraska, the Badgers have now won 8 straight overtime games dating back to 2014. 7 of those 8, and all 3 this season, have been away from the Kohl Center. And the 3 OT wins this year have all come in the last 6 games. Obviously, it's stressful on fans, but for the players,
I have confidence in our team, supreme confidence, and we've shown it throughout the season, whether it's Bronson making a big 3 or my drive at Rutgers or Nigel's 3 last night. I mean, we got guys that are willing to step up, and you don't feel like you're going to lose until the final horn sounds and you're down. So we never feel like we're out of it.
We're definitely ready and able to step up to that moment, face those challenges. We haven't necessarily done a good job of taking care of the game before then. A lot of those overtimes we shouldn't have been in to begin with. We still have a lot of areas to improve, and partly that starts with us playing the first half. I think our last 6 or 7 games, we haven't shown up until the second half. So if we want to turn this corner and continue to do what we're doing, we're going to have to start playing full games.
the Badgers are right back at it Sunday against Northwestern. The game tips at 5:30 at the Kohl Center. For Wisconsin Athletics, I'm Brandon Spiegel.